Good evening, everyone. I'm going live real quick here at Neha Wireless to let you guys know that we are doing a PS5 giveaway at the end of the month. That's super exciting. If you want to know how you can enter to win, all you have to do is come in the store, like and share our post. There will be a post pinned on our Facebook page, so if you go there and you see the post that's pinned, like and share that post, and you'll be entered to win one time. Like, you'll get one chance to win. And if you come in store, anyone who purchases a phone will get 10 of these tickets right here. If you get a phone repaired with us, you'll get 5 tickets. If you buy an accessory like a case, a screen protector, anything like that, you'll get 2 of them. So again, at the end of the month, we're doing a PS5 giveaway. To enter for that, you have to come in the store. You can either purchase a phone. If you purchase one, you get 10 tickets, and we'll be doing these right here. If you do a phone repair, you'll get 5, and if you buy an accessory, it'll be 2. So again, that'll be at the end of the month, and we'll go live every day. We'll try to, and we'll remind you guys about this. So if you want to win, make sure you guys share, like our Facebook page, and then come in the store and either buy a phone. You can buy anything. It doesn't have to be a phone. Anything, get it phone fixed, anything like that. So again, if you buy a phone, it's 10 tickets. If you repair a phone, it's 5. And if you buy an accessory, it's 2. So follow our Facebook page and also like it. Make sure you share this video. Let everybody know that we are doing a PS5 giveaway at the end of the month.